we took somebody else, if we took somebody else's life or made somebody else suffer, we would be bad oppressors. Inna idhal zalimun. We will be then very bad, wicked people. Oh, what happened to you developed the only democracy of Israel, the only democracy of the Middle East, the only democracy of the Middle East? If this is democracy, oh God, we're better off. We're better off than this democracy. You call yourself children of Israel, and look what your ancestor said. One of the child of Israel said, we would be very bad people if we punish somebody else. And you are today killing and destroying millions of people for the faults of some, if they did. They are the judges, they are the juries, they are the executioners. No proofs, nothing. In fact, all the statements that they were making, they were all lies.